Today, we will talk about how to restore leather sofa. Let's have a look at the details. Does your favorite leather couch have a tear, rip, or hole in it? Leather is both durable and long-lasting, but it can be prone to damage, especially if any children or pets are around. Fortunately, repairing a leather couch yourself is easy, and with the right products, you can tackle this project in no time. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, so you can sit back and relax on your newly repaired leather couch. The first step is patching. Wipe down the area around the tear with diluted vinegar. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a bowl. Then, dip a rag into the mixture and wipe down the area around the tear. This will get rid of any dust or grime to ensure that your repair job sticks to the surface. Then, dry the couch with a clean cloth. Cut a denim patch slightly larger than the tear. Use a pair of scissors to cut a small denim patch that will fit inside the tear and act as a new layer of substrate to patch the tear. Make sure the patch is larger than the tear itself, so it can act as a new layer beneath the leather. Insert the patch into the tear. Open up one side of the tear in the couch with your fingers and fit the patch inside of it. Slide all of the patch inside and try to flatten it out with your fingers. Use tweezers to smooth and flatten the patch. Grab the patch with a pair of tweezers and stretch and flatten it out to create a smooth background behind the patch. Feel the leather above the patch for any bumps or ridges, so you know that it is smooth. And the second step is gluing. Apply a small amount of leather glue or fabric glue to a toothpick. Open the bottle of glue and squeeze out a drop onto the end of a toothpick. Be careful not to let any of the glue spill or fall off onto the couch. Spread the glue on the patch beneath the tear. Lift up one side of the tear and insert the toothpick inside. Spread the glue around on the patch beneath the tear, so there's an even layer. Pinch the two sides of the tear together. Use your fingers to bring both sides of the tear together to form an even line. Use your fingers to smooth out any bumps or ridges in the tear, so it's consistent. If you don't line it up properly at first, separate the tear and reconnect the two sides. Hold the book against the tear for 5 minutes. Once the glue has been applied, it needs to be set. Press a board or a book against the tear, maintaining gentle pressure. After 5 minutes, the glue will have set, but wait a full hour before you sit on the couch again. Paint the leather if you can see the patch. For large patches and repairs, the patch beneath the leather might be visible. If that's the case, grab some leather paint and make sure it matches the color of your couch. Then use a paintbrush or a sponge to dab it onto the dried glue. Wait about 1 hour before sitting on the couch again. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.